Did you know you can solve a triangle even if you don't know all the sides? With just a few angles and one side, the law of sines can solve it. Let's see how. In this video, you will learn how to use the law of sines to solve triangles in 3 cases: ASA, AAS, and SSA. Let's begin. The law of sines says, A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. Each side is proportional to the sine of its opposite angle. Case 1 ASA, angle, side, angle. In ASA, you are given 2 angles and the included side. Example. Suppose, angle A is 40 degrees, angle B is 60 degrees, and side C is 10. First, find the missing angle. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. Substitute the given values. 40 degrees plus 60 degrees plus angle C equals 180 degrees. Subtract 40 degrees and 60 degrees from both sides of the equation. So, angle C equals 180 degrees minus 40 degrees minus 60 degrees. Angle C is 80 degrees. Let's now solve for side A. Apply the law of sines. Let's use A over sine A equals C over sine C. Substitute. A over sine 40 degrees equals 10 over sine 80 degrees. Multiply both sides by sine 40 degrees to isolate A. So, A equals 10 times sine 40 degrees over sine 80 degrees. Using your calculator, sine 40 degrees is approximately equal to 0.6428, and sine 80 degrees is approximately equal to 0.9848. A is approximately equal to 10 times 0.6428 over 0.9848. A is approximately equal to 6.53 units. Next, solve for side B. Let's use B over sine B equals C over sine C. Substitute. B over sine 60 degrees equals 10 over sine 80 degrees. Multiply both sides by sine 60 degrees to isolate B. So, B equals 10 times sine 60 degrees over sine 80 degrees. Using your calculator, sine 60 degrees is approximately equal to 0.866, and sine 80 degrees is approximately equal to 0.9848. B is approximately equal to 10 times 0.866 over 0.9848. B is approximately equal to 8.79 units. And that's how you solve ASA. Case 2, AAS, angle, angle, side. You are given 2 angles and a non-included side. Example. Suppose, angle A is 30 degrees, angle B is 50 degrees, and side A is 8 units. First, find the third angle. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. Substitute the given values. 30 degrees plus 50 degrees plus angle C equals 180 degrees. Subtract 30 degrees and 50 degrees from both sides of the equation. So, angle C equals 180 degrees minus 30 degrees minus 50 degrees. Angle C is 100 degrees. Let's solve for side B. Apply the law of sines. Let's use A over sine A equals B over sine B. Substitute. 8 over sine 30 degrees equals B over sine 50 degrees. Multiply both sides by sine 50 degrees to isolate B. So, B equals 8 times sine 50 degrees over sine 30 degrees. Using your calculator, sine 50 degrees is approximately equal to 0.766, and sine 30 degrees equals 0.5. B is approximately equal to 8 times 0.766 over 0.5. B is approximately equal to 12.26 units. Next, solve for side C. Let's use A over sine A equals C over sine C. Substitute. 8 over sine 30 degrees equals C over sine 100 degrees. Multiply both sides by sine 100 degrees to isolate C. So, C equals 8 times sine 100 degrees over sine 30 degrees. Using your calculator, sine 100 degrees is approximately equal to 0.9848, and sine 30 degrees equals 0.5. C is approximately equal to 8 times 0.9848 over 0.5. C is approximately equal to 15.76 units. And that's how you solve AAS. Case 3, SSA, side, angle. In SSA, you are given two sides and a non-included angle. This is called the ambiguous case because it can form no triangle, one triangle, or two triangles. SSA Case 1, no triangle. Suppose angle A is 30 degrees, side A is 5, and side B is 12. Apply law of sines. Let's use A over sine A equals B over sine B. Substitute. 5 over sine 30 degrees equals 12 over sine B. Cross multiply. 5 times sine B equals 12 times sine 30 degrees. Divide both sides by 5. Sine B equals 12 times sine 30 degrees divided by 5. Using new calculator, sine 30 degrees equals 0.5. So sine B equals 12 times 0.5 divided by 5. Sine B equals 1.2. Here's the idea. Sine values can only be between -1 and 1. Since sine B equals 1.2, this is impossible. So, no triangle exists. SSA Case 2, one triangle. Suppose angle A is 40 degrees, side A is 10, and side B is 6. Apply law of sines. Let's use A over sine A equals B over sine B. Substitute. 10 over sine 40 degrees equals 6 over sine B. Cross multiply. 10 times sine B equals 6 times sine 40 degrees. Divide both sides by 10. Sine B equals 6 times sine 40 degrees divided by 10. Using new calculator, sine 40 degrees is approximately equal to 0.6428. Sine B is approximately equal to 6 times 0.6428 divided by 10. So sine B is approximately equal to 0.3857. Take the inverse sine of both sides to find the angle. Angle B is approximately equal to the inverse sine of 0.3857. Angle B is approximately equal to 22.7 degrees. Check the other possibility. 180 degrees minus 22.7 degrees equals 157.3 degrees. The two possible values of B are 22.7 degrees and 157.3 degrees. Let's check. Angle A, which is 40 degrees, plus 22.7 degrees, is less than 180 degrees. So, it is valid. Next, 40 degrees plus 157.3 degrees is greater than 180 degrees, so it is invalid. So, only one triangle exists. SSA Case 3, two triangles. Suppose angle A is 30 degrees, side A is 7, and side B is 10. Apply law of sines. Let's use A over sine A equals B over sine B. Substitute. 7 over sine 30 degrees equals 10 over sine B. Cross multiply. 7 times sine B equals 10 times sine 30 degrees. Divide both sides by 7. Sine B equals 10 times sine 30 degrees divided by 7. Since sine 30 degrees is equal to 0.5, sine B is equal to 10 times 0.5 divided by 7. Sine B is approximately equal to 0.7143. Take the inverse sine of both sides to find the angle. Angle B is approximately equal to the inverse sine of 0.7143. Angle B is approximately equal to 45.6 degrees. Check the other possibility. 180 degrees minus 45.6 degrees equals 134.4 degrees. The two possible values of B are 45.6 degrees and 134.4 degrees. Let's check. Angle A, which is 30 degrees plus 45.6 degrees, is less than 180 degrees. So, it is valid. Next, 30 degrees plus 134.4 degrees is less than 180 degrees, so it is also valid. So, two triangles exist. We are done discussing law of sines with ASA, AAS, an SSA or ambiguous case. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.